Imagine a world where technology suddenly vanishes. No smartphones, no computers, no electricity. Everything we rely on for communication, transportation, and daily living gone in an instant. But even without technology, humanity is resilient. We would find a way to rebuild our civilization from scratch. In the absence of modern machinery, we would venture back to basic tools and techniques. We would rely on our knowledge and creativity to cultivate the land, build shelter, and produce food. Communities would band together, fostering a sense of unity and cooperation. We would rediscover the power of human connection as we work towards a common goal, survival and progress. Without technology, we would have to rely on our ingenuity to solve problems. Simple machines like levers and pulleys would reappear, making physical tasks easier. Education would be a priority as we pass down the valuable knowledge of our ancestors. We would study nature and learn from it, understanding the Earth's cycles and how to harness its resources sustainably. As time goes on, we would start to reconstruct our cities and infrastructure. Using ancient architectural techniques, we would create magnificent structures that stand the test of time. Agriculture would become the foundation of our society. We would innovate farming methods, utilizing techniques that have been used for centuries. Trade would flourish as new economies emerge. People would barter for goods and resources, creating a sense of marketplace and unity. It wouldn't be easy, but we would rebuild. Our new civilization would be different, perhaps simpler, but our values would remain resilience, ingenuity, and the power of human connection. So, even without technology, we would rise from the ashes and rebuild a vibrant and thriving civilization. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content.